see, whenever this Durga Puja started from Sri Mandal Hall, which is a very small area. So, with the 5-7 years of Durga Puja over there, the Sri Mandal Hall prospered and became very big. Then after that we went to Podar school, which was also very small. But with the blessing of Ma Durga, with the blessing of Ma Durga, Podar school also flourished a lot. Then we went to a Balkanji Badi. In Balkanji Badi, that also was very small, a small place. But with Ma's blessing, even that area also flourished and become very big today. Then we thought Tulip Star, nothing is going to happen in Tulip Star because of the big area and lot of litigation and all. But with Ma's blessing, again, that area also has flourished a lot. So we don't have a choice but to come to SNTT College now. That is our new venue. And this venue, compared to Tulip Star, is much bigger. If our pandal was there 100 feet, today it is 150 feet. Breadth it was 80 feet, we have got about 200 feet. So length, breadth, parking point, every point of view, SNTT is definitely more expensive. And not expensive, a better location, I would say. Expensive, of course, is there. Theme? What is the theme, Samrat?
Secret.
No.
Explore it. Eventually.
Tell na.
So this time, like every year, we have a certain theme. So this time, we are trying to do something different. It could be like a Moroccan type of a theme, but that will not let go of our culture, which is going to be more present over here, our traditions. That won't change. It's going to be more beautiful, more bigger, and as this is the new venue, we want the world to see us in a new place, in a new way. And I hope this year we shall go beyond everybody's expectations. So let's see.
Maynak, you have to pass any comment?
Not on the theme, but one thing just to add to what Shamrat is saying, what we are doing differently this year is that
One minute, let the plane pass. Let the plane pass. Sorry.
we are stepping up the efforts on the social media front. This our puja already is the world's most instantly watched puja. It's just that it was not consolidated. So this year we are stepping up the efforts further. The idea is that anybody, any Bengali, or for that matter, any person who follows Durga Ma can watch whatever we are doing on various social media channels, be it Insta, YouTube, everywhere. So that is another new thing that we have been really stepping up our efforts. Last year was our first real year where we did something new. This year we are gonna make it much bigger. Like the digital scale of this puja is gonna go up a few notches this year.
The puja fever has already started. You can see the construction happening here.
Sorry.
So preparations have already started. The construction has started. So the other puja preparations where the rituals are going to happen, that also has been upgraded in a lot of ways. And the stage is going to be a little different this time. So you feel that even though we've advanced in a different to a different venue, but the tradition and the Gharwa feeling is still going to be there. I think a lot more crowd can come here this year because the area is much bigger. So we're wishing all the best for our puja here.
Where we used to feed, say about 1,000 people, now in one batch we can feed about 1,500 people. So that is the big thing. Each batch will cut 15, so about 4 or 5 batches. The thing gets over faster. Naturally.
It's what I would like to add is I think it is more accessible for people. This is more central, and there also there was a little bit of limitations of space, and I think we can cater to more people here. Everybody desires to come and have a look. I think we can cater to everyone. We would request everybody to please come and visit Ma, and she is beautiful every year. And we have something really special coming up this year for the decoration also, and for the cultural programs as well.
Talking about performances and we have Vinay Bendy and Preetham. Every year it is a variety of
This year we have, you see, unfortunately this year there are only 3 days of entertainment. There's Navami and Ashtami, and Navami and Dasami fall on the same day. So we have lost 1 day. So we got only 3 days for entertainment this time, and 2 days for Bhog. Once Mark goes away, you can't have Bhog. So, sorry. So you can't have Bhog at that, on those days. So 1 day we have lost. So on Sosti we have called Pawan Kumar, the Indian Idol singer is the Pawan Kumar. Second day we got Dalit Mehendi, we'll have little Bhangra over there. and Preetham is,
Yeah.
So they are the 3 days we'll have. And
it's a new venue.
Devu uncle pranam.
Pranam.
Secondly, this is a family tradition of sorts for us, and we're very happy that it's shifted to SLT. Although we're going to miss the old venue, but everyone says change is uncomfortable. I'm looking at the best side of this, and I'm very very excited about Durga Puja. Like every year, we've put in a lot of efforts, a lot of hard work. These people have worked incessantly to make this happen. So this year is going to be a different one, but I can assure you all that it's going to be as good as ever.
Even better.
The main thing is the change of venue, because we have a footfall of over 1 lakh of people in a Durga Puja every day. Now that one, people will go to Tulip Star. I want those people to know through the press and through your media, is what I want to say, that the venue has changed. This is what has to be hammered. So that 1 lakh of people, they don't go to Tulip Star and go back disappointed. So they should know that it's not there, it is gone to SNTT College, which I request the press of you to please hammer this point, that the puja is at SNTT College.
So our Bhog has grown bigger and bigger every year, and that was also one of the reasons to shift this to this venue. So we would like all of you to also broadcast the message that we have a much bigger venue for the Bhog, which is the most special thing for all of us.
Rego, come.
So another thing I would like to point out is that the puja timings are very very early this time, very early in the morning. So any devotee who is interested in coming for the puja has to come here by 6:30, because that's when the puja will start, and the timings are very limited. So especially like people who come for Shondi Pujo, that is in the morning, that will start from 6:24 a.m. So that is very important that you all know that it is a very limited time. It's all in the morning, early morning.
चेंज होना चाहिए लाइफ में, एंड चेंजेस समथिंग वेरी न्यू, और माँ दुर्गा का आशीर्वाद तो है ही। वो चाहती है कि कुछ और नयापन हो, कुछ नए लोग जुड़े, इट्स वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड आई थिंक तो अच्छा ही होगा। पूजा सबका हार्डवर्क है, सब मेम्बर्स का हार्डवर्क है, और सीनियर सिटीजन लोग हार्डवर्क करते हैं इस पूजा के पीछे, सब लोग, youngsters, the youth, everybody. So it's a teamwork together, and we try to do something different every year. इस साल भी अच्छा ही होगा, सब माँ की कृपा है, माँ हमारी बहुत जागृत है, and it's a very historical पूजा। ये आज की पूजा नहीं है, ये बहुत ही, I think we are the 4th or 5th generation. The Lairis are in this puja, my grandparents, and of course Mukherjee uncle and my grandparents. The 4th generation who will be carrying on this legacy. So, of course, जगह नया है और अच्छा ही होगा, सब लोग बहुत हार्ड वर्क है, और आशा है कि आप लोग एंजॉय करें और एंजॉयड पूजा बी विद अस। अगर कुछ भूल चूक हो गया तो माफी चाहते हैं, और it's a new-
नहीं माफ़ नहीं करेंगे हम।
It's only going to be bigger and better. That's all. Look forward to bigger and better.
And I hope you all will like this puja and see all that.
One thing I want to add about Rego. At the age of 13, this man, this boy, contributed 1 lakh from his own income to the puja, to this puja.
This year also.
And 13-year-old boy contributing 1 lakh of rupees, and he does a very big thing. Very big thing. He deserves a big hand. Abhijan,
Any message that you would like to give out?
please come. SNTT is a new venue. Please come to. Ma আসছে।
মা আসছে, আপনারাও আসুন, আপনাদের জন্য ওয়েট করা হচ্ছে। প্লিজ দাঁড়াও, শোনা যাচ্ছে না। So we are looking forward to seeing you. We, like we said, that we promised you we're giving a better place, and also for parking there is some more space, and food is going to be fab as every year, and if even better. So looking forward to seeing you all. Please do come.
Thank you.
Since we have a day less in this year,
Yes.
so we have both on 9 noon also or no?
Only 2 days.
But don't worry, जितने लोग हम cover करते हैं हम उसको cover कर देंगे
No,
क्योंकि
you
जगह
see,
ज़्यादा है।
when Ma is not there, you can't have a bhog. So on the day she's here, you have bhog. When she's gone away, then no point having a
So
bhog.
10th and 11th are the 2 days of Bhog. 10th and 11th.
October.
Yeah. 10th October, 11th October.
10th
You
October.
can have bhog otherwise, but it has no meaning. I understand.
We'll have beautiful stalls also.
Yes, we have stalls. We have about 30 stalls over there.
I think we can say only that the location is different. That's it. Otherwise, everything is going to
Yeah, you can see the layout. No,
It's massive.
The Devi Pandal is that side. This is the thing. The stalls are there.
All the adjectives, bigger, better, glamorous, tasty, सब डाल दो.
So,
See you all?
thank you. Thank you. Bijan. Another part.
पास बैठो जरा आज तू इकरार करो मुझे प्यार करो दुर्गा पूजा प्यार
as Rema Didi rightly said, it's Ma is Junne Gachi Amra. So I would like to say absolutely, and I would like to say a few lines as a homage to Ma coming and making all our lives better. Whoever knows, please join in. Of course, I'm sure you all might not be knowing it, but still I'll give it a shot. Jago, tumi jago, jago Durga, jago dasho proharon dhari, অখনা শক্তি বল প্রদায়ী তুমি জাগো, তুমি জাগো। বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয়, বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয়, বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয়।
Thank you. And anything? My phone. So Samrat Papa को snacks के लिए बोल दे। पप्पू को snacks के लिए बोल दे। क्या भैया तेरे को 5 बजे बोला तो आता नहीं। तो वही टोलते भाई घर ये तो 5 o'clock है, 5 o'clock वाला टाइम। 5 o'clock is the time. Everybody come at 5 o'clock. I can.
Hello, uncle.
Hi. Hello.
Thanks, the camera achu.
Hello.
How are you? Your
But I was trying to teach, but तो ऊपर है था किसी को मैं बहुत
Keep some out here. They always stand around you. Will take pictures.
Yeah, you say.
We'll stand around you and take pictures. Samrat.
पप्पू बोले नाश्ता के लिए सम्राट पप्पू नाश्ता के लिए
वही था
Yes. हाँ बाबा. Tension हो गया. How are you?
हाय रेमा
Yes. Mayu sit in front. Demo kaka. Demo ka sit. Yeah, in the center. Then the mommy can sit. Mayu sit here. Kaki asho. Tumi. Go. Sit. Tumi ko बैठने.
क्या करना है
मैंने तो काम किया भी सीन
महीना का बिजान
not seen.
अरे बिजान
यहाँ पे